Let's cook Spanish cauliflower rice with roasted rosemary salmon. For this dish, I recommend red, orange, and yellow bell peppers. These bring vibrant colors and low-carb sweetness. When prepping bell peppers, you want to cut off the top and then gut the seeds from the inside like this. For Spanish cauliflower rice, you want to dice those peppers into little squares. This way they not only look beautiful, but they're also adding texture as well. Bell peppers are such an easy and delicious way to add low-carb flavor to your cooking. You can lump onions into that group as well. Half an onion diced will do the trick here. Next thing we need is cabbage sliced as thinly as you can manage. If you're not incorporating cabbage into your diet, you're missing out. It's crispy, versatile, and honestly, incredibly inexpensive. Look at that. All it takes is a splash of vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste, and boom, crispy, refreshing, mouth-watering salad. Now when it comes to keto, few proteins are easier to prepare than salmon. All you need are olive oil, salt and pepper, and my favorite ingredient, crushed rosemary. Like fish and chips or peaches and cream, rosemary and salmon belong together. The last step to preparing salmon is tossing it in the air fryer. Air fryers are absolutely essential to keto. This fish will finish cooking in 6 minutes at 350 degrees. Simply flip halfway through cooking, and a couple minutes later, you're done. Time for the Spanish cauliflower rice. Saute the peppers and onions over medium heat in olive oil. Season with sea salt and a generous serving of minced garlic. Add pepper, and for depth of flavor, some bay leaves. Mix and saute, and once everything is softened, add your cauliflower rice. I do prefer unflavored frozen cauliflower rice just because it's so easy to work with. To get that wonderful color Spanish rice is known for, you want to use a generous portion of turmeric and a splash of tomato sauce. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory, so don't be shy. And don't cook for too much longer. Your rice will be ready in no time. Some great additions to this recipe include sour cream, olives, and of course, sliced avocado. But as is, this is my delicious and 100% keto certified take on a traditional Puerto Rican dish. Oh man, that looks good. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram at The Real Keto Crush. And of course, like and subscribe. Keto Crush. Eat healthy, look hot.